Hi everyone, I'm Anna, Head of Product here at Twingate, and I'm excited to share that we've expanded our device posture checks to include minimum OS version requirements. This is available to all Twingate customers, including those of you on our free starter plan. If you haven't heard of us before, Twingate is a zero trust access solution focused on making it easy to actually implement a zero trust security model. Part of that is giving you granular and flexible security policies that include native device posture checks for things like firewall, hard drive encryption, and now OS version. Let's take a closer look. If you work with contractors and third-party vendors who use their own devices, you may not directly manage those devices, but you'll still need to ensure that they meet your security standards. That's why we've extended our native device posture checks to include minimum OS version controls. With this new device posture check, you can now specify exactly which operating system versions can access your resources. For example, you might want to ensure all Windows devices are running at least Windows 10 with a specific build number, or that Mac users are on Sonoma or newer. Let me show you how easy it is to set up. In your admin console, go into Policies and then select Device Profiles. Let's say I wanted to add this to macOS. I can click in and then enable the minimum OS version. From here, I have macOS 15 fully allowed. I've restricted macOS 14 to 14.7.4 and newer, and totally blocked macOS 13 and 12. I'll confirm those changes, and those will now be applied for my devices. I can also add minimum OS requirements to my trusted device profiles. So for example, with this trusted device profile, it requires manual trust, 1Password, and SentinelOne. Additionally, I can add in that minimum OS version requirement so that these devices also have to be on Mac OS 15 or newer. I'll confirm changes, and that's it. This feature gives you even more granular control over which devices can access your network. You can create different policies for different resources, maybe requiring newer OS versions for your most sensitive systems, while maintaining broader compatibility for less critical ones. We currently support Windows 10 and 11, Windows Server 2019, Mac OS versions from Monterey on, and iOS 15 and up. Check out our documentation to learn more about implementing OS-based security policies with Twingate.